Have you ever wondered how to engrave a map candle? And why do people engrave map candles? Map candles show special places like where you were engaged, or a first date, or the date you got married, with the location. Once engraved, wipe the candle with rubbing alcohol so the candle can glow through. This gets all the dust off and exposes the beauty of the engraving. Use a wick centering tool. This one is from Norden Candle Supply. Perfectly centered wicks are critical to a perfect burn. This candle recipe uses two 730 Premier cotton wicks. Premier works well with our cocoa apricot creme wax. Measure out 1 ounce of fragrance oil. Our client has chosen Spa Retreat. 1 ounce gives a great scent throw for our 14-ounce candle. It is okay if we go a little over as long as we stay under our 10% fragrance load. Our cocoa apricot creme wax will cure in 72 hours, but we can ship the next day. It's the next day. Cocoa apricot cream wax always gives us smooth tops, and the cold throw smells, well, spa-like, relaxing, and invigorating at the same time. I'm Kimberly Patterson, and I help candle makers turn plain candles into profitable works of art using engraving and sublimation. Comment below if you are going to engrave or sublimate a map candle. It makes a great gift. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next Candle Artist Way.